Hey Bill, I heard you're going to be in Indy next week.
Yeah, that's right.
I know you like racing, so you going to the Indy 500?
No, that's usually about Memorial Day time.
So who's your state? What about basketball? Isn't college basketball big right about now?
That usually starts in November, then they have March.
Madness.
March Madness.
March. Yeah, I guess I'm learning. So what's going on then?
Oh, we're going to be at EMS World Expo October 22nd to 24th at the Indianapolis Convention Center. You have to check us out at booth 1523.
That sounds cool. What do we have going there?
Oh, we have a few of our standards. Our 5-pound fire extinguisher holder, small cylinder brackets like our strapless QRD2, and an easier to use large cylinder bracket, our QRMV2. Of course, there'll be other products and giveaways.
What do you mean, like an all expenses paid trip to Hawaii?
Hawaii.
Bill, wake up.
Sorry. I get excited anytime we talk about Hawaii. See you in Indy.